Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature some hair color ideas that you can rock this fall season. So these hair color ideas are going to be on the bolder side. They're going to be hair colors that are very vibrant and outside of the norm. So if that is something that you are into, this video is definitely for you. First up, we see a purple pixie. This one does have finger waves. And then we see this gorgeous undercolor. So she is rocking the undercolor trend and she is rocking platinum. So I love how this is mixed in with her regular hair shade. The pop of color underneath the strands really just adds some interest, makes a nice contrast. And this is just such a fun trend to try. So then we see kind of like this zebra inspired hair color. So she's doing this herself. Crystal does a lot of her own hair coloring and they are very inspiring. So she's also rocking the contrast between the blonde and the black. That in itself is a trend all on its own. So here she is dyeing her hair purple. And once again, adding in that unique pattern. So we move on to someone trying out the split dye trend. So she did kind of like a rose gold peachy tone on one side and then blue on the other. And if you guys want to see more kind of videos like this where I showcase vibrant hair color ideas, give this video a like. That really helps my channel out, and it also indicates to me that you are liking this style of video. So this person is rocking the money piece highlight trend. Looks like they went with a pop of gray in the front portion of the hair. And then we have a pixie cut that does feature some vibrant burgundy. Nice line detailing there on the side as well. And it looks like a slight hint of blue there in the bangs. Blue turquoisey color. This hairstyle kind of looks to me like a mohawk undercut, if it is such a thing. Definitely a unique overall shape. And I think the color really just adds some vibrancy to the overall look. Alright you guys, so that is going to be it for this video. If you enjoy checking out these hair color combinations with me, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.